सो हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आईएएफटी की कॉल्स आउट हो चुके हैं और उन्होंने पूरे गांव को कॉल दे दिया है। एंड आई टेल यू द रीजन व्हाई। लेट्स कीप इट इन अ लॉजिकल वे, देन वील डिस्कस हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर आईएफटी। सो आईएफटी इज नाउ ऑपरेटिंग इन 4 campuses एंड दे आर टेकिंग अ कॉमन इंटरव्यू। सो हो सकता है आपको बहुत कम परसेंटाइल में कॉल आ गया हो, एंड वो इसलिए क्योंकि उनको चारों कैंपसेस के सीट्स भरने हैं। तो एक चीज याद रखिएगा कि इफ यू हैव वेरी लो परसेंटाइल एंड आप सोच रहे हो आईआईटी दिल्ली कोलकाता, आई थिंक अनुष्का विल बी एबल टू टेल बेटर, बट मेरा एनालिसिस के हिसाब से दे प्राइमरीली एमिंग द लोअर वंस, लाइक लोअर परसेंटाइल वंस फॉर काकीनाडा एंड द अदर कैंपस दैट दे आर ऑपरेटिंग, गिफ्ट सिटी। ठीक है। बट ऑन दैट नोट आई डू बिलीव दैट इफ यू हैव अ कॉल यू हैव अ चांस, यू नेवर नो। अगर आपने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म कर दिया तो इफ नॉट दिल्ली कलकत्ता तो आप डेफिनेटली आई कर ही सकते हो, विच इज़ अ गुड इनफ अपग्रेड फ्रॉम काकीनाडा और गिफ्ट सिटी, राइट। अभी तो आईएफटी का लफड़ा भी चल ही रहा है, सबको पता चल ही चुका है। ठीक है, तो इट इज़ ऑलवेज, यू नो, दिस इज माई पर्सनल टेक, because it is going on in a way that the campuses are having a unified placement system, but right now it's not very sure how it would go forward. तो इंटरव्यू दो एंड देन डिसाइड कि आपको क्या करना है। राइट नाउ डोंट मेक दिस थिंग इन अप इन योर माइंड कि आपका कम परसेंट आएगा तो आप आगे नहीं बढ़ना चाहते हो। गिव इट योर बेस्ट शॉट एंड देन यू विल डेफिनेटली हैव द रिजल्ट्स एंड देन डिसाइड कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं, क्या यूनिफाइड प्लेसमेंट्स होते हैं कि नहीं, किस तरह से प्रोसेस होगा। एंड देन ऑब्वियसली वी विल डू बेटर, we will be able to take a better decision with that data point. On that note, I have Anushka with us. She is a part of my course for the second time now. पिछले साल भी she was a part and one of the most like star mentors. मेरे को पता है, सबने लिखा था फीडबैक शीट में अनुष्का दीदी की जय है। तो अनुष्का has graduated from IIFT, uh, and today we'll ask a series of questions that was most asked to me regarding IIFT preparation, and I'm very sure that she will give us some insights on that. So Anushka, please feel free to introduce yourself.
Hello, hi everyone. I am Anushka. I am a part of the IIFT's batch of 2025. I was a part of their flagship course, MBA in IB, which is International Business. I joined in 23, and I am employed in Godrej Properties Limited. So my experience, I think Hemant is going to slowly unveil with the help of questions. But IIFT has a very distinct position amongst MBA colleges, and that is why their way of looking at candidates also might be slightly different. I think we can explore that as we go forward in the interview.
Yeah, great. So Anushka, what is different in IITs as compared to other colleges?
Okay. So IIFT, if you see its history and legacy, was formed as a center of excellence for the Ministry of Commerce in 1963 when it was established. It wasn't established to be a college; it was established to be a research center for Indian trade and commerce. So it has a rich legacy and a heavy to and fro with the Ministry of Commerce. It in fact comes under the Ministry of Commerce. The Secretary of Commerce, he happens to be the Chancellor of IIFT Delhi. So trade and commerce have a very heavy influence. If you see, even the ITS officers that are on their probationary service come to IIFT Delhi for their training. So these are a few things that set it apart. Even a lot of our faculty members happen to be ex-ship captains because they will be in a better position to teach port logistics. So certain things that IIFT has to offer, other colleges may not get directly because we have a direct association with the Ministry for Commerce. A lot of live projects come in our direction, which comes down straight from the Ministry of Commerce and Trade. So these are a few things that are unique to IIFT as compared to other colleges.
Nice, very nice. IIFT was one of my is one of my favorite colleges, for no sure, for no doubts. I think you missed the trade aspect part of it. Can you shed some light on that as well?
Yes. So IIFT, while international business as a specialization in MBA is offered by a lot of institutes in India, the trade specialization or your ability to major and minor in trade is something that is very exclusive and flagship to IIFT. You IIFT in terms of academics is like any regular MBA college. You can specialize in finance, marketing, strategy, HR, operations, whatever your calling is. But that additional option of specializing in trade is something the other colleges may not offer you. So you can absolutely go about your entire MBA without taking a single trade subject. That's completely on you. But if you are someone who has an interest in trade and commerce, then IFT is the best place to be in, because we have the best faculty to guide you and teach you for that. And that is something I think trade faculty at IFT, most alums will also tell you, we are completely unparalleled. And if you have that knowledge, it helps you bag offers and jobs also, which are specifically in the domain of international trade. Companies like Olam and many other companies that visit our campus, they exclusively want to hire in the domain of trade. So that is something sets IFT apart.
ग्रेट ग्रेट। तो अब मेन मुद्दे पे आते हैं, आईआईएफटी का इंटरव्यू हिस्टोरिकली काफ़ी लेट करते थे, बट इस बार सरप्राइजिंगली जग गए हैं टाइम पे। 25 फरवरी से बोल रहे शायद करेंगे। तो यार ज़्यादा टाइम तो नहीं है लोगों के पास। Tell us, when you were preparing, when you appeared, what different did you prepare for IIFT interview? Like, did you prepare trade? Did you prepare finance? Or is there anything specific that the IIFT interview demands from you?
Okay. So if I go back to my interview, it was conducted in April in 2023. So back then, my focus was, okay, I had converted a few colleges, so I was feeling like I was in a comfortable space. But this was my ambitious convert, something that I had not expected would come my way. So I had suddenly felt very unprepared when the call came. But I decided to give it my best regardless. And to tell you, to be very clear with you all, I am from general category, and the year that I had applied, we had IIFT's own exam. CAT was not existing at that point. So despite of not having the best score in the IIFT exam, because I have performed well in the GD and PI and the further processes, I have actually received the call. So anyone who is feeling, while definitely the selection criteria has changed and a lot has changed, but if you get a call and you do a good job in an interview, you have a good shot at whichever college you're aiming at. Now coming to what I prepared separately for IIFT. So at that point, because I had appeared for other interviews, my basic profile-based HR work ex prep was in line. So if I give you a brief of my profile, I am an engineer. I graduated from Mumbai University. After that, I worked in 3 years in the domain of procurement as an analyst. And then I started preparing for CAT and applying for entrance exams. So here, this is where my prep for IIFT was different, because I felt the bare basic was done. Now I need to look at what extra needs to be done. So I had focused a lot on news, current affairs that were happening in the realm of global trade and international relations. I had tried to connect how these events are eventually going to affect every domain of business. You cannot really launch a product in another country without really knowing what provisions that country gives you to sell that product, what kind of tariffs are applicable, what kind of regulations and compliance you need to follow before you sell it. So that is something I had tried to focus on, because I already had worked in procurement, port logistics, and Incoterms were certain things I was familiar with. It was just the trade aspect that I needed to brush up on. So I read as much as current affairs as I could, tried to form an analysis and opinion on the major things happening around the world. And I think that was the only thing that I had done separate from my other college prep.
Hmm. ठीक है, that's great. So did they ask you anything about trade?
So in my interview, mostly the focus was around my work experience. I think that was the general feedback I got from most people, that if you have a work experience, a large part of your interview will be driven by that. So no, not a lot of specific trade related questions were asked, but we had extempore before as a part of the interview process. So in my extempore, the topic was something related to trade. And one topic was also about upskilling the labor force in India to make them more job ready. So again, if you see, it is very related to the pulse of what is happening in the country. So if you want trade related questions, I will shed a light on it separately based on what I think are important areas to cover. But in my interview, it revolved largely around my work experience.
Okay, great. So, let's sum it up once. If someone has to prepare for IFT, they should be on top of their academics, the work experience, the current affairs, and the history of IFT in general. So, they must have asked you why IIFT, right?
Yeah.
And even though हम लोग बहुत इन डेप्थ आंसर अपने कोर्स के बच्चों के लिए रखेंगे, but then still, if you have to give us answer that helps us अंडरस्टैंड कि क्यों आईएफटी डिफरेंट है, जैसे आपने शुरू में बोल दिया, बट देन ये सब चीजें अंदर जाके रियलाइज होती है, राइट? फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड इफ यू से दीज थिंग्स देन दे विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट दीज आर बोरोड आंसर्स.
Okay.
So how does a person ensure that they do not, you know, axe their own foot कि वो लोग ट्रेड वेट के बारे में बात कर दो फिर ट्रेड पे बात चले जाए and वो नहीं बोल पाए? So how should they answer it in a way that they are able to keep their point well without axing their own foot?
Okay. All right. So if we talk about why you should choose IFT, so trade, if you have any interest in that as a domain, is definitely something you can mention. But as Hemant said, it will only benefit you if you are in a position to discuss it or answer questions on it. So trade definitely is a factor. Another reason I can say is that you need to understand what international business truly means. So when you are applying for MBA in IB, so how is it different from MBA that you are doing normal, a normal degree? So a lot of things that are taught to us are through an international perspective as well. Like, for example, if I'm learning I'm learning marketing management, I'm also learning international marketing management as a subject in the next trimester. So these are this is like a lens shift that happens, I think, because you are doing a degree in international business, is that you are able to visualize different domains of business or different aspects like finance, product, or marketing through an international lens also. So you need to be able to connect your interest in trying to globalize or trying to push towards the international aspect also. And that is something you will, as a candidate, have an edge if you already know. So try to include the international business aspect also in your answer. That will definitely give them an understanding as to why you are gunning for IIFT. Then there are some unique offerings also, if as a part of the course, which you might have read about in a lot of places. Like we have a compulsory social awareness program. I think that happens in a lot of colleges. Then we have port visits, which are particularly unique to IIFT. So as a part of our curriculum, we have a 3-credit course called Port Visit, in which we are mandated to visit one port. It will be of your selection. It could be domestic port, it could be an international port. Basis your CGPA and other factors, you will be assigned a port, but your preference will be taken. So we have had port visits across the world, within India also. And I have personally visited Dubai last year as a part of my port visit. So while the college does not cover your travel and everything, but it gives you the opportunity to go and see a port, and something like seeing a Jebel Ali port at Dubai, with the kind of scale of business at which they operate, the kind of logistics that they have to offer, it is a very eye-opening experience, and it is definitely something that is going to teach you a lot. So that is something very unique to IIFT. I have not heard many B schools offering something like this. And to conclude this, to sum it up, try to even read about what are the unique offerings that IIFT has. Now, you have to do a little bit of your research also, because if I give you all the pointers, then everyone has the same answer and no one really has an impact. But your interest in international business and your understanding of how knowing international business is going to set you apart in the long run is something that should be a central point in your answer.
Great. Great. So I think we covered most of the things that a person should know for IIT. Any last minute tips apart from the fact that the best tip we can give you guys is to join the cohort and we take care of the rest of the things. But just in case if people are already enrolled somewhere or they want to not splurge because एक single call, I don't get the logic anyways कि भाई एक call है तो अब आपको ज़्यादा आपका stake ज़्यादा हो जाता है, but still we will not change that. So is there any final tip that you want to give to people uh, before closing this session, that when appearing for IFT, this is a make or break?
Okay. So I think a make or break will definitely be your understanding of international politics and just relations between different countries. A lot of things have happened in that domain in the last 2, 3 years. You should be able to understand differences between a free trade agreement, a preferential trade agreement, a SEPA. There are different types of trade agreements, and they vary in the degree of concessions that you get with the country that you have signed in terms of tariffs and other mobility aspects. So these are some things you should be aware of. Then events like the Red Sea crisis, the recent India EU FTA, also anything like China plus one strategy that a lot of countries are employing, tariff wars, how they impact supply chain logistics, how they impact the overall economy of that country. Very important is currency movements and forex trade. For example, if Indian rupee weakens against some currency, is it good for certain sectors? Is it bad for certain sectors? What exactly are the the economics behind it? So those are things I feel that will put you in a comfortable position to discuss in case you land in a interview room with someone from IFT. Also note that I don't want anyone to put too much heavy emphasis on trade and international business in their answers, because IFT is just like any other college. Your panel might be someone from finance or marketing or other strategy or other domains as well. So if your answer sounds so one dimensional, then they may themselves not feel like you have anything else to offer. So while trade is definitely one aspect of it, do not keep your entire answer and entire personality in the interview about trade and international business. Try to keep a balanced view. And also, we have certain faculties who are ex ship captains and everything, who are really into ship logistics, trade logistics. So learn a little about supply chain and logistics of trade as well. So I think these are a few topics to cover. There are no as such make or break things, but also know that it is a college that comes under the gambit of Ministry of Commerce. So it is an government college. There is a level of just something I would suggest is that be mindful of how you criticize the government for anything. Do not say something out of the line that might just put you in a bad light. So know the legacy of the college, know where they come from, and answer respectfully.
That's great. Gold mine, literally gold mine है ये तो. Thank you so much for shedding light. Thank you so much everyone for being here. अगर आप यहाँ तक हो तो मैं आपको कोर्स में डिस्काउंट भी दूंगा. Just comment IAFT and I'll give you discount on the course, which is not available to the general public, which is like because you stayed here till the end and listen to us. Thank you so much, Anushka, for being here. Anushka is a part of the course. She will take your mock interviews for IFT and she will guide you through. So yes, we just have last 26 seats left, and IFT is the one call. If you get in, it changes your life. So when something changes your life, you prepare like you deserve it. Not you just don't just show up in a way ki we'll see. So if you want to prepare like you deserve it, hit me up with IAFT and I'll give you a discount and we'll get you enrolled. And if you just want to experiment, then you can do it on yourself. Thank you so much, Anushka. Thank you so much, everyone. I'll see you in the next video, Future Managers. Bye-bye.
All the best, everyone. Do well.